Are you also running Facebook ads and want to add your lead details to the Google Sheet instantly? Then I have bought this amazing automation for you which can be built in within 5 minutes, and you don't need any coding skills for creating this automation. So here I'm going to fill this form providing the email as test@pabblytunes.com, first name test, last name lead, phone number and the city. And now I'm going to submit my Facebook lead ads form, and here you can see that as I have clicked over the submit button, my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether we are receiving the lead details over there or not. So here I'm landed to my Google Sheet where I'm going to save my lead details, and here you can check out I'm successfully receiving all the details of my lead which I have recently filled over my Facebook lead ads form, and here I'm getting 100% accurate result. So now you can also create this amazing automation for any business you are running, whether it's any service based business or any online business or many more. So now let me show you the process of creating this amazing automation. So for that you have to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that integrates varieties of applications and automate your business. So now let's move on towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect where we are going to create this automation. So here I'm landed to my workflow page, which is the most important window for creating this automation. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page, but if you are a new user, then you have to access Pabbly Connect by opening the new tab and typing the URL of the Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. 100 of free tasks means you can add the details of your 100 leads to the Google Sheet freely, and you don't have to pay any charge for those 100 leads. And if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing discount coupon code for you, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly chat friend, Pabbly Connect, and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. Now let's move on towards my workflow page where we are getting this option for adding the trigger. And now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So trigger defines the application which is going to initiate our workflow, and Pabbly Connect basically works on two principles, that is trigger and action. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as Facebook lead ads, as I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my Facebook lead ads. And here the app event which I'm going to select is as new lead instant. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here we are landed to the connection page where if you want to use your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection and click over this save button. But for building a new connection, you just have to click over this add new connection, and now we have to click over this connect with Facebook lead ads. And here I'm getting this option for selecting my Facebook account, as I have already logged in my Facebook account. So I will suggest you to firstly log in your Facebook account for getting a smoother experience. Now again I'm going to just click over this continue button, and here as I have clicked over this continue button, my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting both these fields for selecting the page name and the form. So on my Facebook account I have already created this page, that is the magic makers, by using which I'm going to receive the leads. So from here I'm going to select my page name from this drop down, and afterwards I'm going to select my form, and from here I'm going to select my form as new leads, as I want to receive the leads of only this particular form. And if you want to receive the leads of all the forms created under this page, then you can even select all lead gen forms also. Now let me select new leads. Now here I'm going to select my response format as simple, so that I can get the response in simple format. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and here the status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now let's move on towards my meta for developers page, by using which I'm going to get a webhook response by creating a new lead. And here I have got this page by typing the URL developers.facebook.com, and here on the resources we are getting this option for developer tools which you have to select. And here on the developer tools page I am going to select this tool, that is lead ads RTO debug tool, which will lead me to the lead ad testing tool page, where again I am going to select my page, that is the magic makers, and here I am going to keep my form as same. And now we just have to click over this preview form button, and here I am getting this form which I am going to fill again. So here I have filled this form providing the email, first name, last name, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form, which is successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving this response or this lead data over there or not, as we have recently built in the connection. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect, and here you can see 27 seconds ago we have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which I have recently filled over my Facebook lead ads form. So this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app as we are receiving the response. Now by using this response, I'm going to create a data over my Google Sheet. So for that, I'm going to use my second principle, that is action app. So here I'm going to select my action app as Google Sheet. Now let's select the app event as add new row. And now we just have to click over this connect button. And here we are on the connection page, where if you want to build a new connection, then you have to sign up with your Google account. But I'm going to use my existing connection. So I have clicked over the save button. And as I have clicked over the save button, my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting is for selecting the spreadsheet. So from this drop down, I'm going to keep my spreadsheet as same, as I want to add my lead details over this particular spreadsheet. And now we are getting all these fields for entering my lead details. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually enter all these details like this, but no, I'm not going to do it, because Pabbly Connect is providing me a method by using which I don't have to manually type my lead details, because typing will make my data static, and I want to make my data dynamic so that it can be replaced with every new form submission. So for making these fields dynamic, you just have to map it. Now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select the slash symbol, and here we are getting our previous application, that is Facebook lead ads. So from the response of the Facebook lead ads, I am going to map the first name of my lead, provide the space, and now I am going to map the last name of my lead. And now let's map the email address. So here I have mapped the email address too. Now let's map the phone number. So here I'm going to map the phone number of my lead. Now let's map the city. So here I have mapped all these details, and these fields are dynamic, which are going to change with every new Facebook lead ads form submission. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request for sending this data to the Google Sheet. And here we are receiving this positive response, which demonstrate that the data might be added to the Google Sheet. So here you can see that in my Google Sheet, I'm successfully receiving this data, having the full name, email, phone number and the city, which I have recently filled over my Facebook lead ads form. So this shows that we have successfully integrated our action app too, and we have built in this amazing automation by using which you can add your Facebook lead ad details to the Google Sheet. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now and automate your whole business. And not only these particular applications, you can automate many applications by using Pabbly Connect, as it can integrate thousands of applications. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.